You abuse me so bad.
It's been a while since we've done an intro like that. Today we'll be making the world's thinnest Apple Watch using a 150-ton hydraulic press. Now these boxes are from our sponsor for today, Casetify. There should be some custom Apple bands. Let's go ahead and see what's inside.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Those look classy. Oh, there's a bunch. There's stacks of them.
Oh, and there's the Gizmo Slip one.
There we go, with the logo and everything.
Check that out. That looks super sick. Let's see if it fits my Apple Watch and see how it feels. Nice. Well, this is comfy. Looks good and feels good wearing this band. I'm definitely gonna be using it going forward. This is my favorite Apple Watch band so far to date, without a doubt.
Dude, there's so many. It's so hard to hold these up.
Perfect. So we've got an Apple Watch to take to the hydraulic press and then crush. We're gonna attach the official Gizmo Slip band to this bad boy. So without further ado, it's time to road trip on over to the workshop where we're gonna crush this bad boy. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. We're finally here, over an hour drive away. Oh my God. Darren's trying to get a slow-mo shot behind me. That's awesome. We're ready to turn this Apple Watch into the world's thinnest Apple Watch ever. And we've even got the Gizmo Slip band. Now before we make this the world's thinnest Apple Watch, I just want to say thank you to our sponsor, Casetify. They offer a ton of different designs on their watch bands. They were generous enough to send me a whole bunch of different kinds, even a custom done Gizmo Slip one that looks awesome and feels great. Now these Apple Watch bands are made from a premium sweatproof and scratch resistant material, and they're compatible with all different generations of Apple Watch and all different sizes. And to top it off, there's a 20% off coupon code. If you're in the market for a new design or new feel for your Apple Watch, definitely go check it out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and watch as we turn this into the thinnest Apple Watch ever made.
Was there supposed to be a pun there?
Yeah. All right, so here we go. On to the 150-ton hydraulic press. Brand new Apple Watch. Oh my goodness. So this should be really interesting to see if it's gonna smoke like last time or not. I don't know. Do you think it'll smoke at all?
Kind of. I don't think it's going to be as big as we did last time.
A little poof?
I think it'll be a poof.
A little poof, a poof, a little poof. All right, safety goggles on. Ready to go. Mine looks so nerdy with the black rim around. Commencing the crush. Here we go.
Here it goes.
Making the world's thinnest Apple Watch. Oh my God.
There, it's pooping.
Oh, it's pooping. Oh,
Look, it's sticking to it.
oh my God.
Wow, look at that. That's intense.
Oh my God. That looks pretty thin.
Yeah, there was no poof at all.
Oh, no poof. I didn't see any poof. No poofage. Oh my God.
I wouldn't recommend putting that on your hand. It's more like a traditional watch too. Like it has a disc going around it.
Yeah, it's circular now. Here's the latest Apple Watch right there on the left. And this is the new Apple Watch 5, the thinnest Apple Watch you can possibly get. I should wear this to some fancy shindig. You'd have a lot of people like, what is that on your arm? Yeah, these bands are super in there. It's as thin as the band pretty much. Like it stopped at the thinness of the band. That is impressive. So we're gonna put this plastic layer underneath. We're gonna see how this looks on my arm, you know?
Yeah, we gotta give it a shot, right?
Dude, we gotta give it a shot. Dude, guys, I've got the most stylish Apple Watch. The thinnest, biggest display. Yeah.
So much functionality. Yeah, man. Wear this to your next conference. It's a conversation piece for sure.
I'll just be like standing right here. It's like CEOs and everything walking around me. You know, then they'll probably want to take a photo of it, and then there's the Gizmo Slip logo right there. It only hurts a little bit, like stings a little. But...
Yeah, well, it stings? Like, is it like...
No, it doesn't. Okay.
I'm like legit concerned. I was like, don't let it burn your hand, man. I don't know about this whole like battery liquid plus plastic.
I was trying to take this off. I was just trying to take it off, and it's like, oh, it just came apart on my hand. Oh no. No. Raining glass.
There's your poof.
That is one thin, smashed, destroyed Apple Watch. Show off the Casetify bands one last time. These things are awesome. They have some really cool designs. Go check them out, guys. This is a band that Darren could get behind right here.
That one right there looks like it. That's just for me.
It would match him fully. They have bands for everyone, including a Gizmo Slip band for me. This was awesome. Link in the description if you guys want to pick up some of these Casetify bands. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon and Darren out. Peace.
Peace.
Bye.